What's up guys? Welcome back to our channel, Sab and Seiya. So today we're gonna do who's the longer spin yo-yo. So I have this yo-yo, my yo-yo that doesn't has hubstack, and my other yo-yo, this one has hubstack and a dragon. This could do a DNA, and this one is the same as me, could not do a DNA but is unresponsive. So let's go, let's start. So whoever gets to 5 first wins. And if we don't finish it, part 2 na lang. Okay, first round, who will win? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, the first one, the winner is myself. See, I hate this. It won't come up. So I got 1. Evo has 0. I have 1 of the 5. Evo has 0 of the 5. So let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, go. Ay, guys, panalo si Evo, guys. Bumalik akin eh. So all 1, all 1. All 1 kami out of 5. Hurry up. Bilis, ang bagal ko. Cut this. Okay, finally. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
Ay, natulog na. Ano finally? Tulog na. Matay ang ilaw.
Never.
Kung sa mga libre-libre.
2, 1, Sibo out of 5.
Ano na,
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, mas mabilis pa sa akin.
No, it's not. Cricket Sibo. Taas mo kasi pakita mo. Oh, ayan. Alam niyo na naman kung sino ang panalo.
Uy, ate.
3 na ako, 3 na ako, Sibo 1. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, dito cricket, dito cricket.
Walk the dog.
Oh.
Te, nakanalo kayo.
Nanalo. Talo ako guys. So, ano na? 3. Game, bilis, bilis. Kung sino manalo, +2.
Up to 4 na lang.
+2 kung sino manalo.
Up to 4.
1, 2, 3, go.
Minus
Si Ibo, 2 points. So, 4 na si Ibo. 3 ako. Last, 1. Bilis!
Last one ako?
Bilis! 1, 2, 3.